wanted to show you my old 520. I bought this from a guy years ago, running, and it's been running ever since. I haven't hardly touched it, changed the oil in it. It's just been a good old tractor. I do a little bit of hobby farming around here, and I got my old baler on the back, and we're gonna go bale a little hay today for a horse lady. But I wanted you to see this old girl, and it's original paint, it's original everything. There's nothing been hardly done to it other than just a little bit of this and a little bit of that, but not much anything. But I'm gonna walk you around, show it to you, and we'll start it up and let you listen to it run. It sure is a clean little thing. It's got those nose weights on the nose right there. Got a little spot in the grill and a little dent in the hood. That's the way I got it. But other than that, it's just a little cream puff. A little cream puff. So while I'm here, I'm going to show you my old string baler. It's an 0273 New Holland string baler. And it's pretty tired. It's got a few pieces missing on it. But for what little bit I do around here, it does a pretty good job. I fixed up a little bracket here. I'm going to put the camera on it after a while and go down here and bale and let you watch the knotters work. And then I'm going to try to move the camera up in the front and let you watch the hay going in. But it's nothing fancy. But you talk about old school. This is the way they did it in the old days. The way they did it when I was a kid. I can remember getting a nickel a bale, putting them on the wagon, and taking the wagon to the barn and putting them in the barn. But talk about back in the day. Let me fire this old girl up for you and let you listen to her bark. She sounds pretty nice. It doesn't get much better than that. Got the original little chain and third link, and about as close to original as you can get for the year. So we're going to take her down and we'll bale a little hay for it, and we'll take you along for the ride. that ditch to fill itself in. But we ended up with, I don't know, maybe 15 good grass hay bales, so that's worthwhile, I guess. But now you know why they call this Green Acres on here. Oh, putt-putt, and I'm not much different than a putt-putt. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and thanks for watching. Okay.